Hummingbirds are only a small sample of the diversity of wildlife that can be found in the Sonoran Desert. Javelinas forage in the early morning light. Javelinas aren't actually pigs. They're a type of peccary. They share a common ancestor with pigs and hogs, but it's a very distant connection. These social animals are herbivores. They like to root up the ground looking for low vegetation. A favorite food is the prickly pear cactus, which provides both food and water. Bobcats are also common residents throughout the Sonoran region. Feeding on rabbits, rodents, and birds, the bobcat is an important predator in keeping the small animal populations in balance. Coatimundis or coatis like to climb trees where they're known to take naps during the day. These curious animals with ringed tails and masked faces look a lot like their relative the raccoon. Female coatis live together with their young in groups of 40 to 20 animals called troops. Adult males live alone and only join the troops during the breeding season. Vultures cruise the edges of mountains during the midday heat in search of food. As the sun begins to lower, shadows grow long and temperatures begin to cool. This is when the night shift begins. Tarantulas emerge from their burrows in the desert soil in search of insects to eat. Rattlesnakes begin their hunt using their tongue as a way to track potential prey. Their tongues smell the air by picking up tiny odor molecules and then transfer them to an organ called the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth that analyzes the chemical signals. If threatened, a rattlesnake will usually give fair warning of their presence with their signature rattle. When the threat has passed, the rattle will stop and the snake will continue on its way.
Coyotes can live just about anywhere and will eat just about anything. Their relentless search for food keeps them on the move. Any animal is fair game. The haunting call of the coyotes has made them an easily recognized symbol of the Sonoran Desert. In the dead of night, on a full moon, scorpions are busily looking for food as well. Most species fluoresce like this one under ultraviolet lights. Scientists aren't certain why. Scorpions hunt by capturing their prey with their pincers and stabbing with their barbed stingers. They generally eat insects. The queen of the night cactus flower, known as night-blooming cereus, puts out beautiful waxy white blossoms that bloom for only one night. During this short bloom, cereus emits a wonderfully strong aroma to attract pollinators. Whether by night or by day, the Sonoran Desert is a thriving community of plants and animals.